Hi guys, I hope you've had a great week. Now, something that I'm really careful about on this channel is not to make you feel like you have to shop and buy a whole heap of new clothes to look good and feel good about yourself. So I don't really talk about kind of, clothing that you should go and buy. But I have found a top from Zara, which I think is great. It costs $45. It's super versatile and flattering, and I'm just going to do a quick video showing you the top and just mixed with a few different outfits. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, here we have the top. It is a peplum style, but without kind of, flouncing out too much. It's quite subtle. The reason I love it so much and it's so flattering is because it, obviously being the peplum style, it's defining the waist, but also the elbow length sleeve is also defining the waist as well. So it's really defining the waist and very flattering for anyone that doesn't like their arms, or for anyone that, doesn't feel confident about their tummy. It's a firm fabric, but it still falls really nicely, so it can help with your confidence, wearing something a bit more fitted but still flattering for the areas that you're a bit concerned about. So my first outfit, I've paired it with a white casual pant. So it's just kind of dresses it down a little bit, and then I've just popped it with a burgundy corduroy sneaker. So this gives it a bit of a casual look. Because of the elbow length sleeve, it is great because it can be worn casually, but you could still wear it to work or the office, and having the longer sleeve, it feels appropriate. So it's nice and versatile, and for $45 you get a lot of wear out of it. Okay, so this is my first outfit. So here I've dressed it up and gone with an all black look with a pair of wide leg pants and a black pointy heel, and then I've added a black and gold statement belt just to really highlight and exaggerate the peplum style of the top. Okay, and lastly I give it a bit more of a smart casual look, and I've just popped it with a straight denim skirt and some metallic ballet flats. Just the straight skirt kind of really highlights the peplum, and then the ballet flats with the black and silver just give it a bit more of a smart casual look with the denim. So there you go. If this looks like a top you would wear, like I said, I got it from Zara for $45, and I can't see it not being worn in my wardrobe anytime soon. Alright guys, have a great week. Bye.